In this video, I want to talk about how you can add Jotform to your WordPress site. Now, what we want to do is simply install a plugin. So head over to WordPress and go to your dashboard, find plugins, and then we want to search for Jotform. Once we're inside of here, we want to look for the correct one, which is this one. So I have a little guide here that you can follow along. So you want to search for this one and we want to find it right here. Now, once we have this, what we want to do is just install it. Keep in mind, the plugin is free, but you need to have an upgraded version of WordPress. Once you've downloaded this, what you need to do, create a new page or edit. Inside of here, click the plus icon to add a new block, search and select for Jotform, and then you just want to log into the account. Once you're logged in, you can now select what you want to embed. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.